In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Copilot account. Whether you've decided to part ways with this AI companion or you simply want to tidy up your digital presence, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Microsoft Copilot website, open up your preferred web browser, and navigate to copilot.microsoft.com. Make sure that you're logged in with the account you wish to delete. As you arrive on the homepage, you'll notice the familiar interface. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right place. It's always important to double check that you're logged into the correct account to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate your profile. You'll want to look towards the upper section of the web page. There you should find an icon or label that signifies profile. Go ahead and click on this. It should lead you to a more detailed personal account area. If you're unsure, most of the time this icon resembles your user avatar, or it might be represented by your initials. Upon clicking, you'll receive a small drop-down menu of options related to your account. With your profile drop-down open, you're now looking for the option that says Delete Account. This step might sound a bit final, but remember, it's crucial in the process of removing your Microsoft Copilot account. Click on the Delete Account option. Sometimes there might be a momentary pause or a prompt asking if you're sure about this decision. It's a way of ensuring that account deletions aren't done accidentally. Now that you've clicked on Delete Account, this brings us to the next important step. You'll see another option that says Delete Copilot, which specifically refers to removing your related AI assistant service. Click on Delete Copilot to finalize the process. At this point, most services might give you a final confirmation screen. This screen is just to make sure you're certain of your choice. Read any additional notifications they present, as sometimes there might be information about data retention or other considerations. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through deleting your Microsoft Copilot account. Remember, once your account is deleted, you'll lose access to all related services and data associated with it. Be sure that this is indeed what you wish to do before taking these irreversible steps. If you have any concerns or need to save important data, you might want to handle those before initiating the deletion process. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more help.